Okay, so this is Kahoot, and probably most of you have heard of this website. This was something that was new to me this year. I've never used it, but we did use it during some school in-services, so I thought this would be a great chance for me to look at this website and see if it's something that I could use in my classroom. And so what you're really doing is just making up little games that you could play with your kids. So I would start with making a new Kahoot, and then giving it a title, like Stone Soup, and then Comprehension, Questions, and then Select, Squall, and then OK and go. And then you just start adding your questions. So, I did make stone. So, okay, so there. And then I always change the time because I have second grade and they need to be able to have time to read. They liked rocks. They didn't have any food. They wanted to trick the villagers. And let's see, they were all out of pork. Okay, and then you have to select the right answer. They made stone soup to trick the villagers, and then you hit next, and then after you've made all your questions, you could hit save. And then you play the game. And the way that you play it is that the kids can use iPads or a laptop, and they put in a special code that you get. And they put this code in, and this code hooks up to your game, and then you can play the game. I just felt like this was a neat little way to introduce some education that doesn't involve, once again, paper, pencil, or worksheets, and it's just a fun way of keeping the students engaged and just a fun way to learn. So I hope maybe if you've not heard of Kahoot, this is something that you could use in your classroom.